Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. So I'm gonna bring you a quick little video, and this just came out a few days ago. And like I said, it's becoming all too common, these videos, but I always wanna bring them to you so you guys are informed. You can make sure your car is working as it should and get everything taken care of if there is any issues with it. And so that's the reason I do bring these, but seems like they're once a week things now. A problem comes up with one of these vehicles. But just last week, Acura announced a new recall, and it involves the 2025 Acura MDX SUV. So again, brand new vehicle here, and they're already having issues with it. But at least this one right here is an easy fix, and it's not detrimental necessarily. So what happens here, this has to do with the backup camera. So they're saying on some 2025 Acura MDXs, when you shift the car into reverse, the image might appear, and then all of a sudden the whole screen will go black. So you could see if you're trying to get really close to something and the image is there, and then all of a sudden it just blacked out, how you could definitely hit something. But it doesn't seem like it would cause too big of an issue, as far as that would be like a rare instance where you actually bump into something in that millisecond when the screen goes black. But anyhow, just like all other recalls, they're going to be sending out letters in April, but I thought, again, I'll give you guys a heads up if you haven't heard about this one. If you have a 2025 MDX, you can go ahead and give your dealer a call, tell them about the rear view camera recall, and they can look you up by the VIN number and see if yours is one of the affected ones. Now, of course, if you had symptoms already, definitely take it in and get that fixed. And if you had to pay out of your pocket for a new one, save your receipt and you can get reimbursed for that as well. Like all the other recalls, they'll actually reimburse you if you had to fix it out of your own pocket. So again, not necessarily a huge recall, but again, something to watch for and just a little concerning. You know, a brand new vehicle here, and 2025 is not the first year of the new redesigned MDX, and it has one of these little software issues. But the positive note is it's an easy fix, not hard to do, just inconvenience that you have to take it in, drop your car off, you know, schedule it and all that kind of stuff, be without your car for probably a day, I would assume, to get that repaired for you. But again, I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop if you haven't heard about it already. Let me know in the comment section if you had issues with yours when you shift it in reverse, the screen goes black. Hopefully everyone's out there staying safe, having a great day. I appreciate the support I'm getting as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.